Hello, Namaste. Today we are going to discuss something about the spirituality. Why is it necessary to talk about the spirituality? What is the need? I have seen there is so much of pain and suffering all around that we are looking for an escape from this misery and escape from this misery. That is why it is necessary to talk about the spiritualism. Now, there are some basic questions of the spiritualism. Who are we and what are we? Now, to discuss about who are we are all a part and parcel of that eternal, endless super consciousness. हम लोग क्या हैं? हम लोग उस शाश्वत सत्य के एक अंश हैं. Now, what is this super consciousness that we are talking about? ये शाश्वत चेतना है क्या? Super consciousness, it is an awareness of being alive. हमें इस बात का एहसास हमेशा रहता है कि हम जीवित हैं, हम इस दुनिया में हैं. दैट इज नोन एज द कॉन्शियसनेस एंड द परम सत्य जो इसमें आती है वो बात वही सुपर कॉन्शियसनेस कहलाती है. वाई वी डू नॉट फील though we are part and parcel of that super consciousness, why we do not feel that we are part and parcels of this super consciousness? Actually, we do feel about that we are part and parcel of that super consciousness, but we are not aware of it. Every day we witness deaths, but we never think that this disaster will strike us also one day, sooner or later. This reminds me of one anecdote of Mahabharata. This is a dialogue between the Yudhishthir and Yaksh. When they were in the forest, the Yaksh asked Yudhishthir one question. That is, what is the most strange thing in the world? सबसे आश्चर्यजनक इस दुनिया में क्या है? Then the Yudhishthir answers that the most strange thing in the world is that we witness death every day, but we do not think that we will die one day. We will meet our end one day. Sometimes, though, when we realize it that we are part and parcels of that super consciousness being, then this is known as the self-realization. A self-realization person becomes free of all bondages, sufferings, and all comfort also. If we really want to get rid of this pain of existence, then there is no other way except the path of the self-realization. Now, what are we? हम हैं क्या? We are the human beings. They are made up of the two parts. One physical body that we have, which identifies ourselves, and one is spiritual body. Physical body is made of all organic matter, which are supposed to decay and destroyed, and it will be destroyed one day. Whereas the spiritual body, it is never destroyed, and it is made up of one energy complex. This energy complex is made up of the sound and light. And it does not have any religion and it does not have any caste. It is just an energy. And it is better for all mankind to realize the uselessness of the war and the fighting for religion. The sooner we realize, the better it is for all mankind. Our next topic will be the basis of all creation. Till then, thank you and bye.